Gather your friends in the cozy ambiance of your kitchen, where laughter dances alongside the aromatic scents of freshly prepared meals, and express your eagerness to share the wonders of repurposing eggshells. Invite them to join in as you grab a bowl and start cracking the eggs, emphasizing the fun of transforming what's often deemed as waste into a treasure that can enhance their culinary adventures and gardening endeavors. With each shell crushed, a wave of excitement flows through the group, the prospect of making a difference palpable in the air around you. Each friend's curiosity ignites as you sprinkle the crushed eggshells onto a vibrant salad, their taste buds awakening to the subtle, rich flavors that elevate the dish. Encourage them to reflect on how simple actions, like this, can contribute to healthier meals and a greener planet. The sunlight filters through the kitchen windows, casting a warm glow on your gathering as you transition into the next phase of the workshop. You share tips on how to mix the crushed eggshells with coffee grounds, illustrating how this unique combination can breathe life into gardens and improve soil quality. As you demonstrate the process, the scent of coffee grounds fills the air, mingling harmoniously with the light aroma of eggshells, capturing your friend's attention. You pass around samples of the mixture, inviting each friend to feel the texture and envision the possibilities for their own green spaces. Engaging conversations ignite around the table, brainstorming how many other waste materials they might transform into garden gold. As the workshop continues, you instill a sense of creativity by introducing an interactive art station where everyone can personalize their crushed eggshells. Bright paints and brushes come out, encouraging your friends to transform the simple shells into vibrant decorations. Laughter echoes as they experiment, mixing colors and designs, embodying the very spirit of recycling and creativity. You walk around, offering encouragement and sharing ideas for incorporating their decorated shells into home decor or as unique gifts for friends. Each participant creates something special, reinforcing the idea that even the smallest remnants can hold beauty and purpose. As colors blend and imaginations take flight, you remind them that this art is not just an activity, but a symbol of the transformative journey they are all embarking on together. As the paints dry, you gather everyone in a circle, inviting them to share their favorite ideas from the day. Laughter and chatter fill the room as each person reveals their unique creations and offers insights into how they plan to repurpose eggshells and other materials in their daily lives. You listen intently, feeling the warmth of community and inspiration grow stronger with every passing moment. With each story shared, you emphasize the power of collective action, reminding them that small, conscious choices can create meaningful ripples of change in their households and communities. As the discussion flourishes, you take a moment to express your heartfelt gratitude for everyone's contributions, reinforcing the importance of these shared experiences in fostering a sense of community. You ensure everyone understands that sustainability is a journey they can embark upon together, and as you face each one of them, you convey just how much their enthusiasm means to you. Encouraging everyone to follow up with any questions or ideas long after the workshop ends, you reiterate that collaboration doesn't stop here, it will continue to bloom in their everyday lives. The spark ignited today is merely the foundation of a broader, ongoing dialogue about creativity and environmental consciousness. With the sun beginning to set, casting a golden hue through the kitchen, you sense the energy shifting toward a closing moment filled with inspiration and hope. You gather everyone around again, this time holding small bags filled with fresh, crushed eggshells mixed with coffee grounds, offering them as a tangible reminder of the creativity and learning that took place. As you hand them out, you encourage each friend to experiment with their new treasures in their gardens, emphasizing the next steps of incorporating sustainability into their everyday lives. You also share a carefully curated list of resources, books and websites, that can help them continue their journey toward responsible consumption and environmental stewardship. As the bags are distributed, a sense of camaraderie envelops the group, each friend exchanging smiles and stories of how they plan to integrate these ideas into their daily routines. You encourage them to reflect on the experiences shared today, reminding them that sustainability is not merely a trend but a lifestyle choice that begins with small, meaningful actions. As you prepare to part ways, the warmth of shared laughter and inspiration lingers in the air, and you assure your friends that this gathering is just the beginning of many future conversations and collaborations focused on a more sustainable future. Your heartfelt farewells are filled with hope, knowing that the seeds of change have been planted in each of their lives, ready to grow and flourish. As your friends prepare to leave, you take a moment to express how deeply grateful you are for their enthusiasm and engagement throughout the workshop. You gently remind them that the journey towards sustainability is ongoing and that their collective commitment has the potential to inspire many more. As you wave goodbye to your friends, you feel a profound sense of accomplishment, knowing you've ignited a passion for sustainability that can flourish long after today. Each conversation, each laugh, becomes a thread in the larger tapestry of eco-consciousness that you all are now a part of, inspiring change within your community.